It's snowing! It's snowing in here. Hi, Maupay kids! Today it's snowing!
Snowing? It's nice and sunny outside. Oh, that's what we're doing today?
Yeah.
What are we doing today?
Instant snow.
Instant snow slime.
It's snowing.
It's snowing. All right. Before we get started, we have to make our borax solution, which is going to be 1 teaspoon of borax to 1 cup of warm water. Let's see. 1 teaspoon. This is what I need. Okay. There we go. Get in there, Mr. Borax.
Which one is Mr. Borax?
Okay, Miss Borax. Is that better?
Miss Borax and Mr. Borax is in there.
Okay.
Yeah,
and then 1 cup of water. Uh-oh, I got water everywhere.
How did it drip out?
I was measuring out 1 cup of water. So I'm gonna
shake.
Okay, real gentle.
Ow.
Go ahead.
Ah, stung me.
Alright, so just swirl it around. It's just water.
What?
Water just got on you, that's all. Swirl around till you don't see any sort of crystals on there.
I want to see.
See?
What?
We'll just set that aside. You can see it's now clearing up. We are going to use, first to get instant snow slime, we're going to need to do instant snow. Supposedly this is, let's see, 1 ounce powder makes 26 ounces of water. So I don't know if that is 1 ounce makes 26 ounces of snow or 1 ounce and 1 26 ounce water. But we'll take a look. We'll put it in a teaspoon at a time. We're gonna need
what?
Scissors.
Dad, Mom, there's a weak spot.
No, there's not. Oh, there is a weak spot. You're right.
Yeah, I'm so white.
You can't tear it up. It's at the bottom. I don't know why they would put the tear part at the bottom when I think people would be looking at it from the top. Okay, so let's do...
I want to do it. Can I do it?
Hold on. Let me make sure it's even. Okay, go.
I do it. Whoa! Okay. It's gonna be snowing.
It's gonna be snowing? Okay. We're gonna do 1 teaspoon for you. Oh, sorry. 1 tablespoon for Kuya, 1 tablespoon for Mommy.
It's snowing!
It's snowing. They say it's the same stuff as unused diapers, so maybe when Casey's out of the diapers and we don't need the diapers anymore, we'll try this again with Casey's diaper leftovers. Because we had that with you and I didn't know what to do with those diapers. Alright, let's be systematic on how we're gonna do this. So we did 2 tablespoons. Let's try 1 cup of water, okay? Whoa, it's expanding right away, guys. Look at that.
Mom, I think it's gonna become snow.
You think it's gonna become snow?
Yeah.
Whoa, look at that, guys.
Is it coming snow?
Let's go with 1 more cup of water. Let's see what happens, okay? So we like the white powdery consistency instead of that gel looking snow, so no slushy snow for us. We like it white powder, freshly snow.
Whoa, it's turning snowy. We had snowy.
Because it's supposed to be with this whole bag, it's 26 ounces is about 6 of this, 6.5. So we'll see.
Mom, it's definitely coming snow. And you do hard to do fast.
You could probably put your hands in there, Kuya.
What? Can I put my hand
Yeah,
in
go in
there?
there.
It's the snow.
It's like,
What?
I mean, it's a different kind of it's a different kind of feeling. It's a powder, but you feel the gelness of it. Ooh, little snow.
Is it snowy? Is it snow?
It looks like it.
It's snowy.
Alright, it looks like white powder substance, so that's kind of good.
Whee.
What do you got? What do you think, Kuya? Should we put more water, or I think we're enough?
I think we're enough. Whoa.
I'm kind of, you know what? I'm gonna take some of this out. Uh-oh.
Why? Why are we gonna take some of this out?
We're gonna maybe incorporate some of it into our glue as we go along, okay?
Why are we gonna do that?
Because I don't know how much the slime will take of this stuff. Okay? Sand, that's what it feels like. It has the powdery sand feel to it. Alright, let's go. Here's our glue. Can you put that in, Kuya?
Where?
Into this bowl.
Whoa, it's doing that. What's it going?
So we're gonna see if we can get the consistency of it runny.
It's snowing! And it's snowing!
Kuya has seen snow.
What?
A half an inch of it, but he has seen it. Alright. There's some more of that water. Oh.
It's snowing very green. It's snowing very green. Snow. Hello, I'm coming. That was just it. Don't squeeze it.
What happens when you squeeze it? Hold its form. Alright, let's add a little bit more in here.
Mom!
Yes, Kuya?
Breaking!
It's breaking. Yeah, that's good snow. It's good powder. So here we are.
So a slime breaks.
Alright, let's see if we can... Oh, it's definitely sticky. Let's see if we can put some borax in here and see what happens. You think we can make the slime?
Yeah.
How many borax do you think you'll take, Kuya? 4 is our normal. What's your guess?
3.
3?
Yeah.
I'm gonna say 5. 1, 2, 3. So Kuya had 3. Let's see what it looks like.
Whoa! That Mom!
It's still expanding, I think. Oh. Hold on, kids. It's pulling away from the glass. It's pulling away from the sides.
What? It's pulling away?
Yeah.
It's pulling back?
Oh, this is so pretty. Alright. I was gonna do 4. This is our normal. You having fun with your snow?
What? Did I make my hand in it?
Yep, you put your hand in it.
Whoa!
Okay, let's see. Oh, it's coming off me. It's definitely thicker than the fluffy slime that we did. Okay, it's not yet. Oh, but it's definitely not sliming, so let's do maybe more borax. So that was 4.
Whoa, it's breaking.
5, 6,
It's breaking.
7 teaspoons.
stretch it. It doesn't stretch. So slime's not gonna stretch.
So it has to stretch, right, without baking?
Well, I question it.
heavy. Ooh, there it is. It's kind of stretching. Nope, it's still breaking. Ooh. At least it's pulling away from the side of the... We'll keep working this, guys, and see where we go. Alright, we've had our slime here resting, so we'll see.
Look at it! It's mountain!
It's a mountain range? Okay. Let's take a look, see what we got. Alright. Ooh. I think it qualifies as a slime because it actually does stretch.
Mine does stretch.
Before it falls. And you can see the stringiness of it. This is definitely worth it to do. Ooh. You see the cobweb.
What? How are you gonna make a cobweb?
Look at it. It's so stringy.
Oh, stringy wiggy woogie.
Alright, Maupay kids, if you like what we're doing, go ahead and subscribe below, share it, like it.
Mom!
Yes, Kuya. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
When it run, 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 when it...
What?
When it run.
Let it run?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you for joining us, and we know that your time is important, and there's a lot of videos on YouTube with a lot of slime in it, so hopefully you've enjoyed our month of slime. Look at our playlist and look at the slime, and you can watch all of them. Subscribe. It's snowing. Subscribe, like,
Snow out.
share it with everybody.
Snow out.
Snow out.
Woo!
This is actually very good. Oh.
Can you get some? Yeah.
Look at this, guys.
Can you get all my snow back?
I'm getting some, incorporating some
Mom, I got some snow.
air in here.
I got some snow for you.
You got some snow for me? Well, I got some slime snow for you.
Snowball! I lost my own snowball.
You lost your snowball?
Why did it disband? Snowball! What happened to my snowball? I can make away the head, mouth, eyes.
This is like the most displayed with a component of a slime episode. Yeah, I see that. I see the eyes right here. There's the nose, there's the mouth.
I'm good at it.